Okay, let's go ahead and install the software now. I included a thumb drive with just the software for us. I'm going to plug it into the laptop, to the port here. It'll come on up, and then I use Windows Explorer in order to open it. So we go to the USB drive, and on the USB drive you'll have a and I think what I'll do is I'll put some graphic images in for you, but there's a folder, ReadAlyzer 2K2204-A. That's the latest version of the software. What I'm going to do is copy that, and we use copy, and I'm going to place that on my main hard drive. So in File Explorer or Explorer, I'm going to this PC, my C drive, and I'm going to copy, and now I'm going to paste that file. That's folder, sorry, that folder. So now I do not need the USB drive in there. You really should copy the software from the USB drive onto your hard drive and then do the installation from your actual hard drive. That way, if you need to reinstall on the same computer for some reason, it's there. And you don't have to worry about where did I put that. And you can put this on multiple computers. We're giving you the right to put it on multiple computers. So I'm putting it back in the case to save it. When you open that folder, there's only 6 files in there. And the one we want is ReadAlyzer 2K install. And I'm just going to double click on that. You'll usually get an error message. It's not really an error message, but Windows is trying to protect you from various nefarious types of things. There's nothing nefarious about this. It's asking me, do I want to allow this from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? And you need to say yes. And then you get the message that asks, do you want to do the full install? Welcome to ReadAlyzer 2K install. I'm going to make pictures of each of those and put that in so that I can show that to you in the actual video that I'm talking. And I'm going to click on OK, and it's going to go ahead and open the actual install. And you've seen software like this multiple times, unless you've never used a computer. But you're going to hit next. I accept the agreement. If you want to read it, it's relatively short. Next again, and it's going to go ahead and install the software that quickly. And that's the full software installation. So I'm going to take a moment now and capture some of those pictures and use them when I edit that video so that you can see what each of the screens looks like as it comes up. Let me know if you have any trouble with the actual install.